All right, what do we got here? So welcome back for another video, guys. This is my 2007 Honda Civic SI, bone stock, nothing. As you guys can see this beautiful scenery, we're in the back roads and we're gonna go ahead and test out this car in the corners and stuff like that. I've been waiting for this video because now that it's like fall and all the color of the trees and stuff like that, to get pictures with this beautiful habanero red Honda Civic SI, and then on top of that make a POV drive. I think it'll be pretty cool. So everything's stock. I just put like the passenger JDM, yeah, the carbon fiber stuff or whatever, and that's about it. I mean, this car has nothing else. Everything else is stock wheels, stock tires, stock everything. Exhaust is stock headers. Pretty much a gem. I bought this from a 70-year-old, so if you guys haven't watched that video, I'm gonna put it down below. Make sure you guys go watch it when we picked it up. And we also got pulled over 10 minutes after I bought it, so car's pretty stock, pretty clean all the way around. Like I said, just has the paint fade in the top, and that's about it. But other than that, everything else is pretty flawless. For 209,000 miles, can't complain. It's all right. Let's go on the drive and let's see what this thing could do. No lights on dash or anything. Has 209,310 miles. Since I've owned it, I put 6,655 miles, and that was in about, what is it, 6 months? This car. So let's say about 1,000 miles a month, around there, a little bit more, give or take. If you guys know and you guys have driven a stock SI 8th gen, they're pretty slow, but they handle so great. Try not to get pulled over though. Look at this traffic, that's crazy. I'm turning around. You guys got me booked up. But can you still see out here, and you can see this? Yeah, it's good now? Alright, my bad, y'all. Just trying to fix the POV for you guys. The trees look so good. Weather like this, if it was like this year round, bro, that show would be so perfect. Try to create some space.
A lot of people playing golf.
This car needs an exhaust, an intake, and a fat ass turbo. I don't think turbo will be ideal for back roads, but it'll be pretty cool. Shit.
Probably like in the weather like this.
Why is there a little barn right here? It looks brand new too.
What?
Oh, Taylor barn? What is it?
Tyler,
Same thing. The pink Tesla, yo Elon.
That's a nice little paint.
I wish these cars wasn't here, man. Let me know if you guys want a part 2 of this, but like in downtown, and like a couple spots that I know that are pretty nice. Our downtown is not that nice, but it's something. There's a couple nice spots. Yes, everybody turn, everybody turn. No, motherfuckers. To be honest, I don't know where this takes us, like that.
Let's see.
If I'm not mistaken. I think it's Parma. I don't feel like going to Parma, but see where the road takes us. Fuck it. I don't think I've ever been through this side.
No.
And the bike, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at this. Nice.
You know what you could do? You could do like a first part here, and then you could do like you could finish everything like doing it on the bike. We don't have to come here.
Nah, if they want to see a bike video, I could just do a bike video.
I mean, yeah, that too.
Which I've been thinking about doing a bike video because I have a little ground. But
And then we could do a video of me trying again, just not busting my ass. I mean, if I bust my ass, you can get so much views probably.
hell
You
yeah.
would love seeing other people get hurt.
If you guys want to see a video, look, I got a couple videos of my like teaching her how to ride my motorcycle, which is a little 125 gram. She already fell once, but I didn't make that a video. And I didn't even try to make a video. I should have. That would have been funny.
Yeah, probably. I mean, I know how to. I have the idea of it. I just really suck at the engagement when it comes to like the clutch engagement.
Yeah, it's nice one. Nah, yeah. I think she got it. So if you guys want to see that video, let me know down in the comments. I'll probably make that happen before the winter comes. And then I'll go ahead and make a video, like a POV ride, like a night ride or something with the Grom. Try to get a group of people together, record something. And also, I got more videos coming out, like bangers, bro, bangers. Like right now I'm making a chill video before I start bringing out bangers. But I mean, right now at the same time, I'm testing out different type of videos. See what you guys like, what you guys don't like. Honestly, this car is not the most exciting to bring to the back roads. It's not loud, it's not, you know, it doesn't have any modifications yet. You guys can't even hear it. But there's a lot of people that like this to make, you know, it's satisfying. I wish this freaking Volkswagen, of course it's a Volkswagen, like it's been in front of my damn way this whole damn time. No offense to those Volkswagen owners, but hit that thing, man. Yeah, man, enjoy the back roads. So it's a couple hours later, and as you see, I'm home. And I'm sitting here thinking, I'm like, what should I make for the car? Like, what should I do? What should the purpose of this car be? Should I turbo it? That's one of the main reasons I got it. But the car is so clean, so OEM, for me to just sit here and mess it up. Like, I would feel kind of bad, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like it's just messing up a car that's never been molested and shit. So you guys see the way I drove it. Like, I babied that shit. I'm not gonna say I've never beat on it, because I try to at least open the, you know, the VTEC solenoid and stuff like that. Just keep it moving like once a week or once every 2 weeks, depends on how I feel. And still try not to do it too much, because it's a car that hasn't been molested, hasn't been beaten on. So, you know, I want to take care of as much as possible and at least hit 300K on that motor. But I think once that motor blows up or, you know, fucks up, I'll probably build it, or I'll probably swap it with a K24, or I don't know, something like that. But let me know down in the comments. I want to see, I'm curious what you guys would think and what would you like to see. Like, I could have been modded it, like lowered it, put some wheels, exhaust and stuff like that. But I don't know, like I said, I just feel bad. It's a car that hasn't been molested. So I want to hear it down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you for watching. Also, check out my sponsor, which is Max Speeding Rods. I'm going to link it down below. You get 15% off if you use code VISIONARIES, VZNY to be exact. And check out their products. At least check them out and leave a comment in one of their posts and say, you know, hashtag Team Visionaries or something. And yeah, let's keep it going. Thank you for 2,000 subscribers. We just hit that last night. And let's keep on moving forward. Thank you for watching.